So guess who else was watching that? The weightlifter over on CNN and his buddy Don Lemon.
What's up, what's up? Welcome to GainsMedia.com, Jeep Bank. All right, so let's review. So if you've seen any of the previous videos on the Cherokee, this bad boy right here. So this is what I ended up doing this weekend. So we have a brand new alternator, radiator, water pump, thermostat. So it turns out that overheating issue that I've been having and the stalling, as I stated before, I have none of the symptoms of the blown head gasket really. What it turned out, my radiator had a blockage, my alternator seized up, and my thermostat was stuck closed. That's why my car kept dying. So if you have any problems where your car will start and run and go for like 5 miles, then die, or make a like water pump area, that's your water pump bearings gone, or your alternator. For me personally, I'm glad it was just those 3 things. I spent $300 and now the XJ is back on the road.